Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In the last lecture we have learned Laplace transform of some standard functions, linearity property and some problem based on that. And today we are going to learn the next property, that is change of scale property. So what is the change of scale property? If Laplace transform of function f of t equal to f of s and a is any scalar, then Laplace transform of the function f of a t can be written as 1 upon a f of s by a. Let us see the example. Example number 1. If f of t equal to cos 2t, then find the Laplace transform of f of 3t. First of all, we will write the given function f of t equal to cos 2t as it is. Then we will apply in this function Laplace transform on both sides. So applying Laplace transform on both sides, L of f of t equal to L of cos 2t. But we know that Laplace transform of cos 2t equal to s upon s square plus 2 square, and this equal to s upon s square plus 4r. Let us name this function is f of s. Now apply the above property. Therefore, by the change of scale property, we can write Laplace transform of f of 3t equal to 1 by 3. 3 is a scalar into f of s by 3. Now we replace in this function s by 3. So instead of s, we putting s by 3. So this equal to 1 by 3 s by 3, s replaced by s by 3, divide by s by 3 the whole square plus 4, and this equal to 1 by 3 into s by 3 divided by s square by 9. So 3 square, that is 9, and plus 4, and this equal to 1 by 3 into s by 3, and we cross multiply 9 4 ja 36 divided by 9. This equal to s by 9, 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. So s by 9 the whole divided by s square plus 36 divided by 9, and this equal to s by 9 into denominator comes on the numerator, so into 9 by s square plus 36. So 9 and 9 will cancel, so we will get s by s square plus 36, which is required Laplace transform of the function f of 3t. Let us do the another example. Example number 2. If Laplace transform of the function sin square root of t equal to square root of pi by 2s into square root of s into e raised to minus 1 upon 4s, then find the Laplace transform of the function sin 2 square root of t. Now let us begin the solution. Given Laplace transform of sin square root of t equal to square root of pi by 2s into square root of s into e raised to minus 1 upon 4s. We write the given Laplace transform of the function sin square root of t as it is, and this function is equal to f of s. Let us assume this function is equal to f of s. Then, as we know that Laplace transform of the function sin 2 square root of t can be written as Laplace transform of the function sin square root of 4t. Here I am inserting 2 inside the root. So this function can be written as sin square root of 4t. Now apply the change of scale property. So here scale is 4. So this equal to 1 upon 4 f of s by 4. Now we replace the function f of s by s by 4. So instead of s, we putting s by 4. So this equal to 1 upon 4 square root of pi by 2 as it is. So instead of s, we putting s by 4 into square root of s by 4 into e raised to minus 1 upon 4 as it is. So instead of s we putting s by 4. Now 4 and 4 will cancel here. So this equal to 1 upon 4 into square root of pi by 2 into s by 4 into square root of s by 2, and this 4 comes outside, so this become 2 into e raised to minus 1 upon s. Now simplify this again, so this equal to 1 upon 4 and this 4 goes on the numerator, so become 4 by square root of pi by s into square root of s into e raised to minus 1 upon s. So 4 and 4 will cancel and this become square root of pi by s square root of s into e raised to minus 1 upon s. So this is the final Laplace transform of the function sine 2 square root of t. I hope you understood this. For better understanding, let us do the more example. Example number 3. Example 3. If Laplace transform of the function f of t is equal to 8 in bracket s minus 3 divided by s square minus 6s plus 25 the whole square, then find the Laplace transform of the function f of 2t. Now let us begin the solution. Given Laplace transform of the function f of t is equal to 8 into s minus 3 divided by s square minus 6s plus 25 the whole square. Now apply the change of scale property. So by change of scale property, we have Laplace transform of the function f of 2t is equal to 1 upon 2 f of s by 2. Here function f of s is given function f of s. Say this. Now we are replacing in this function s by 2. So just replace. So this equal to 1 by 2. So instead of s we putting s by 2. 8 s by 2 minus 3 divided by s by 2 the whole square minus 6 s by 2 plus 25 the whole square. Then simplify this. This equal to 1 upon 2 as it is into 8 s minus we cross multiply 3 to the 6 divided by 2 the whole divided by open the bracket s square and 2 square, that is 4 minus, and simplify this, that is 3s plus 25 the whole square. First we cross multiply by 4. So this equal to 1 upon 2 and this cancel, you will have 4 into s minus 6 divided by s square. Do the cross multiplication. 4 3 ja 12s plus 25 for the 100 the whole square and by 4, and again simplify this equal to and 1 by 2 into 4s minus 6 the whole divided by s square minus 12s plus 100 the whole square divided by 4 square, that is 4 for the 16, and this equal to 2 to the 4. So 2 times of s minus 6 divided by s square minus 12s plus 100 the whole square divided by 16. So this equal to, and this 16 goes on the numerator, so this become 16 to the 32 s minus 6 divided by s square minus 12s plus 100 the whole square. So this is required Laplace transform of the function f of 2t by using change of scale property. I hope you understood this.